Hello kids, in this video you will learn about parts of body with pictures. So let's start. Eyelash. This is my eyelash. Teeth. These are my teeth. Eyes. These are my eyes. Head. This is my head. Face. This is my face. Forehead. This is my forehead. Hairs. These are my hairs. Eyebrow. This is my eyebrow. Cheek. This is my cheek. Nose. This is my nose. Lip. This is my lip. Chin. This is my chin. Ear. This is my ear. Gum. This is my gum. Tongue. This is my tongue. Hand. This is my hand. Thumb. This is my thumb. Throat. This is my throat. Index finger. This is my index finger. Middle finger. This is my middle finger. Ring finger. This is my ring finger. Nail. This is my nail. Arm. This is my arm. Elbow. This is my elbow. Navel. This is my navel. Shoulder. This is my shoulder. Belly. This is my belly. Knee. This is my knee. Legs. These are my legs. Foot. This is my foot. Ankle. This is my ankle. Heel. This is my heel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.